So we are going to now look at the 4 Metre Pro Plus window cleaning kit that Window Washing sells. This kit consists of a 35 centimeter washer, complete with a 35 centimeter lamb's wool sleeve, a replacement 35 centimeter sleeve, machine washable, a 35 centimeter stainless steel squeegee, complete with squeegee rubber, and a 71 centimeter replacement rubber for the squeegee. You just cut the 71 in half and you have two 35s. This kit also consists of a 15-litre window cleaning bucket, which allows you to dip your 35 centimeter washer into the bucket and completely submerge it. And then this kit also consists of a 4-meter or single-story window cleaning telepole. A feature of Window Washing's telepoles is the fact that we have a friction fit cone on the end of the poles. What this means is that this allows you to put your washer on, for instance, onto the end of the telepole. It allows you to clean at height and then bring the pole down and immediately pull the washer off and add the squeegee. And this is especially useful when you're in situations like on a sunny day and you have to clean a piece of glass relatively quickly. This allows you to do so. So this is the 4-meter window cleaning pro kit from Window Washing.